heavy. Hey guys, this is Sharvil here from Tech Wizard. Today I'm here with the unboxing video of the Oculus Rift. So, an Oculus Rift provides you with an interactive virtual reality experience, or basically a VR experience. So, an Oculus Rift is used for games, fun, watching movies, demos, or training simulators. So guys, I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to be showing you what things we're going to be getting out of this box. So on these ends, you can see the sensors, or I should say the motion sensors, which of course sense your motion. So here you can see the two controllers, one for each hand. Those are the things that actually enable your interactive experience. Of course, in the middle, the main thing, the VR headset. So guys, just by the way, this is not a sponsored video. And coming back to the Rift. So to run this thing properly, you actually need an extremely powerful laptop. And if you don't have one, it's not gonna run very amazing. If you have one, perfect. So guys, let's go on and actually open the box up after so much talking. Hey, it's a big thing, man. Come on, get out of here. Thank you. Okay, wait a minute. Just gonna move this box out of here. And here we go. The complete everything I should be saying. Okay, I'm just gonna lift it up and just a minute. Okay, so here we go. So guys, I'm gonna get the sensors out first. Tiny. Not hoping them sweet. So tiny. Okay. Let's get the controllers out. Okay, they're pretty easy to remove. Okay, here we go. Controllers, the sensors, and of course the main headset. Okay. And also let's remove the manual. I think so. Yeah, the manual with some batteries, a wipe cloth. Yeah, it seems like it. And of course some Oculus stickers. And a big manual. So let's keep everything aside and look at this. Now guys, of course the main headset, the controllers, this one for the right and this one for the left. Pretty smooth and pretty good. They seem like actually Switch controllers, but just much bigger, meant for bigger hands seems like. And of course the sensors kept on the side. So guys, that is all that has come out of this. Okay. So that, oh my god. It's hopeless. Okay. So that is all that has come out of this box. Everything you've seen in this video, of course, will be linked down in the description below. So what do you guys want to do with this VR? So if you had one, what would you like to do with it? Comment down in the comment section below and let me know about it. So guys, thanks for watching. This is Tech Wizard signing off, and peace.